Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Libra placements. Okay, so love reading ngayong October. Singles and the person on your mind. Okay, so dalawang reading. Okay. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga evil eye item, for protection, okay, yung ating mga evil eye, and sa ating love bracelet, okay, so para sa singles and sa may mga conflict sa mga karelasyon at sa mga hiwalay, okay, and yung ating grantor. So just message me. And yes, if you're interested rin na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And if you're looking for a healer, so yes, si Kuya Dingsi ang amin pong pwedeng i-refer. Okay, so ganun rin, meron siyang FB page. Hanapin na lang po, Kuya Dingsi. Kung hindi nyo mahanap, message nyo kami. Message nyo ako. Okay, dito sa ating page na Fiestaro. Okay, so again, okay, so kung ano pa man ang mga katanungan, message na lang po. Okay, so let's start your reading. Libra. Okay, Libra placement, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, North Node. Let's see. Okay, unahin natin. Okay, new person. Okay, so this is for singles. Okay, so if you're eyeing for someone, okay, meron kayong nagugustuhang person, yan, mga ganyan. Okay, mas maganda yung wala pang nangyayaring romantic connection. Okay, so let's see. Libra, how do you view this new person? Okay, so tingnan natin. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. Do you see this person as someone na pwedeng generous? Okay, pwedeng may ganyan. Anyway, hindi pa ako ready. Okay, generous or may pera. Some of them, tingin mo may mga responsibilidad siya sa side niya, lalo na pwedeng tingin nyo may anak. Anyway, that's so specific. Okay, so how do you view this person, Libra? This new person. Okay, the Eight of Pentacles inversed. The King of Swords. Minsan nakikita mo tong taong to, madalas tulala. Okay? Or maraming iniisip. Some of you, nakikita mo or tingin mo sa taong to na sabihin nating ang hirap niyang parang intindihin. Okay? We are nandun tayo sa energy na sabihin natin hindi pa kayo magkakilala, pero kung may mga sinasabi tong tao to, parang hirap intindihin, bakit ganun, bakit ganyan. Okay? Andiyan rin yung parang naiinis ka sa energy niya, naiinis ka sa kanya, I don't know why. Okay? That's specific. Iba sa inyo naiinis ka rito sa taong to, nagagalit ka. Okay? What's with this King of Swords reversed? Andito rin yung parang hindi siya nagpapatalo. So, pwedeng tingin mo sa kanya, gano'n, hindi siya nagpapatalo. May sarili laging opinion. The Ace of Pentacles reversed. Itong taong to, hindi siya open pagdating sa help. Andun yung energy na pwedeng nayayabangan ka sa kanya, Libra. Parang may gano'n. Okay? I don't know, bakit nagugustuhan mo to? Okay? Some of you, tingin mo, meron siyang something na pwedeng hindi niya ini-open up, like pagdating sa past. Okay? Tingin mo, kasal siya, tingin mo, may anak siya, pero hindi niya ini-open. Okay? Something like, hindi niya masyadong binibigyang focus. Or hindi lang siya talaga nagiging open pagdating dyan sa side na yan. Okay? So, how do this person views you, Libra? So, ano naman ang tingin niya sa'yo, Libra? Ano naman ang tingin itong new person na to sa'yo? Okay. The Five of Cups in reverse. The Judgment. Tingin naman sa'yo ng taong to is, ikaw is sobrang open. Welcoming yung energy. Okay? Para kayong yin and yang. O, diba? Para kayong positive, negative, like that. Parang kabaliktaran mo yung taong to. Parang ganyan. Okay? You're open. Like, magaling kang makisama. Ganyan ang tingin niya sa'yo. Open ka sa lahat ng opinion. Open, yes. Because of, yung iba sa kanila talaga. Tingin mo hindi open, hindi natanggap ng opinion, hindi natanggap ng kung ano man. Like, andun yung may pagkamayabang na energy, mapababae, mapalalaki, kung ano man ang gender nitong taong to. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Wands. Andun yung sabihin natin talaga kahit ganon, I don't know, some of you gusto mo bad boy, bad girl energy. Ha? May pagkaganon siya. Bad boy, bad girl na aurahan. Parang ganon. Anyway, okay. So, let's see. Ano bang emosyon nito pagdating sa'yo? This new person. Do they like you? Do they like you? Tingnan natin. Gusto ka rin ba nito? Woo! Maybe the feeling is mutable. Maybe. Why the Lovers? Whoops! Wow! Oh! Oh my golly! Kanina ko pa nakikita yung pair ni King of Swords. Hindi ko lang pinapansin. So, I think sa situation na to, meron ditong hindi nabibigyang pansin. Which is the strong connection na meron kayo ng taong to. Someone is sabihin nating tulog. Tulog. Okay, yung isa is gising. I don't know who. This is a strong connection, by the way. May chance na ito is talagang may something na pwedeng nandoon yung fate, nandoon yung destiny, nandoon yung twin flame, soulmate connection. Yes. Okay. May something tong taong to pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, they see you as someone who is so open. Okay? Na-appreciate ka ng taong to, sa totoo lang. Na-appreciate niya kahit hindi mo siya ginagawa ng kung anumang mga pabor or what. Na-appreciate niya yung mga ginagawa mo. Yes. Okay. Next action nitong new person. What is their next action towards you, Libra? The Three of Wands. Talagang hindi ka pinapansin or hindi ka pa rin papansinin. Why? Why the Three of Wands in reverse? The Two of Swords. Yun talaga. Acting distant. Acting cold. Detached. Yeah. Again, the Two of Cups in reverse. The Two of Cups. Again, energy. So, andun yung distansya pagdating sa emosyon. I don't know why. Someone is sleeping still. Okay? Sana nagigets nyo. Yung hindi makita yung purpose kung bakit nandyan. Kung bakit kayo nagkita or bakit mo siya nagustuhan. Yun nga eh. Okay? Hindi mo alam yung dahilan bakit mo siya nagugustuhan. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina, may chance na nayayabangan ka rito, nagagalit ka rito, something like that. Okay? There is that energy. Okay? I don't know. So, pwedeng sa past life ninyo, pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng hindi magandang kung ano man. So, that is why may ganun kang emosyon for this person kahit hindi mo alam bakit. Ano kayang meron? Nakikita ko palang tong taong to, nabubwisit na ako. Like that. Okay? So, I think you have a past life connection. You had a past life connection ng taong to. And I think nagkita lang muli kayo nito. Okay? Pero, yun nga, hindi pa rin magkakaintindihan. Ang hirap nito. Okay, so, yeah, the Hermit. Okay, the Hermit. Someone is, sabihin nating, tanong ng tanong, hanap ng hanap. Bakit kaya? Yeah, this person likes you. The feeling is mutual, maybe. May chance. Nagugustuhan ka na or sabihin natin gusto ka na. Okay? Hindi lang talaga anong gusto ko makita. Ano ba ang hadlang dito? Okay? So maybe the way they act, okay? Kung ano ba yung pinapakita nila. Parang ganun. Isa na yun. Ano pang hadlang dito? Ano pang hadlang dito sa connection nyo or I mean, dito sa inyong dalawa? The Six of Wands in reverse. Something, nagkaroon ng failure before. Okay? Or maybe someone is sabihin nating yun nga may pagmamalaki dito. Okay? May ay, ang hirap. The Empress in reverse. Yeah. Pag lumalabas yung mga ganyang card, si Empress, si Emperor, this is strong connection. Okay? Ito yung divine feminine, divine masculine na sinasabi. Something na meron talagang nangyari sa past, no? Okay? See, the world. I think destiny na magkita kayo nitong taong to. Strong connection. Okay? Na meron sa inyong dalawa ngayon. Hindi mo malaman, hindi rin niya malaman, pero I think nandoon yung pull. Okay? Anong kailangan gawin? Advice for Libra. Pagdating dito sa new person, the Seven of Wands. How is that? Okay, the Knight of Cups. The Four of Swords in reverse. This is communication. Okay? So, for me, the Seven of Wands, this is the blockage. The Knight of Cups, kailangan gawan ng aksyon para mawala yung blockage dito. Okay? This is something sa past talaga. Ha? Okay? Sabihin, hindi pa naman po kami nagkikitanan. I'm not talking about that. Okay? Kung ano man yun. Hindi kayo, ngayong lifetime na ito, ha? Hindi kayo nag-connect. Sa past life kayo nag-connect. Okay? Wala tayong magagawa kung meron ditong blockage. The Seven of Wands. Pero kung sabihin natin gugustuhin ninyo na magkaroon ng open connection sa isa't isa, pwede. Pwede. Hindi kayo magtatagpo nito ulit kung walang dahilan. Okay? Kung walang dahilan, hindi kayo magtatagpo. Yeah. See? The Three of Cups. Energy ng pagkikitang muli. Okay? Reconciliation. Parang ganyan. Okay? Alisin ang boundaries or alisin ang be casual. Okay? Alisin yung tension. There's tension here. Okay? Alisin yung tension. Alisin yung yung nagbibigay ng parang harang dito sa connection na to. Dahil meron. Casual. Okay? This is mutual. Yeah, strong connection. Kung ikaw, kaya mong ibaba yung guard mo, do it. Okay? Next action niya is the Three of Wands, the Two of Swords. I don't know. May chance kasi ng pag-surrender dito. Okay? May chance ng pag-surrender. I don't know kung ano ibig sabihin ng pag-surrender na yan. Okay? Or maybe pagbaba ng pride, ng ego, whatsoever. This is a decision na pwede niyang gawin. What is this? What's this Two of Swords in reverse? See? The pride and the ego. Sun. Strength in reverse. Yeah, may chance na ibababa nito yung guard niya. Magde-decision to. Okay, so kapag gumawa ng decision yan na maging, sabihin natin, i-approach ka, as simple as pag-approach sa'yo, ibaba mo yung guard mo. Okay, kailangan yung mag-connect nitong taong to. Okay, kahit ayaw mo sa kanya, yes, ayaw mo dito. Una pa lang, sabi ko sa inyo, ayaw mo dito, galit ka dito, or inis ka sa kanya, makita mo lang yung pagmumukha ng taong to, wala tayong magagawa. Okay, eventually matututunan nyo or makikita nyo kung bakit kapag naging open ka sa kanya, vice versa maybe. Okay, so there, ang hirap. Anyway, okay, so let's proceed doon naman sa person on your mind. Okay, so Libra. Okay, the person on your mind, who is this? Okay, the person on Libra's mind, anong meron? Let me shuffle. Okay, some of you lumalabas to sa panaginip mo. Or madalas, pwedeng recently, napapanaginipan mo tong taong to. Okay, so Libra, who is the person on your mind? Okay, the Three of Pentacles. Some of you, pwedeng nakakasama mo to sa isang environment, pwedeng ka-workmate mo, kaklase mo, kasama mo sa isang lugar, kung ano man ang mga pinaggagawa nyo everyday, or pwedeng naging ganun, something like that. Three of Pentacles and the King of Swords. Okay, so ito yung taong nonchalant. Ano po yun? Yung parang sabihin nating silent. Okay? Silent, nandyan yung cold niya, coldness, detach, pwedeng aqua, pwedeng earth sign. Okay? Hindi kayo sabihin natin hindi kayo nagkakausap ng taong to ngayon, or wala kayong contact, or hindi lang talaga kayo nag-iimika ng taong to. Okay? Some of you, tingin mo walang pag-asa na may mangyaring something pagdating sa inyo. Okay? So, I think may nangyari ng connection sa inyo before. Okay? Some of them, alam mong matalino tong taong to. Okay? Some of them. Okay, so let's see. Ano bang situation nyo? So, yun nga, aside sa hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng communication ngayon, or hindi talaga kayo nagkaroon ng communication at all, nagkasama lang kayo sa isang environment, okay, ng maraming beses. Hindi lang kayo nagkakaimikan. Bakit ganyan? Tingnan natin. Anong situation ninyo ngayon? Okay, the Ten of Cups in reversed. And the Eight of Swords in reversed. The Lovers. Justice in reversed. Situation. I think meron ditong parang dahilan kung bakit hindi kayo pwedeng mag-connect, Libra. Okay? Meron ditong kalungkutan akong nakukuha. Pero parang ina-accept lang kung bakit. Okay? Sana wala ditong involve. Sana wala ka pang kakonek, Libra. Sa ngayon. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Ano bang meron? Emosyon nitong taong to. Siguro parang itong taong to mas pinipili niyang maging silent towards you. Okay? Dahil alam niya na kailangan niya maging silent. Ano emosyon nito for you, Libra? The Eight of Pentacles. Oops! And the Page of Cups. May crush sa'yo to, Libra. May crush sa'yo. Ha? Gusto ka niya. I think this person is always trying to look for you, search you on the internet, kung ano-ano man. Like, in general, gusto ko nitong makita. Kasi every time na hindi ka nakikita, nalulungkot sila. Nalulungkot siya. Ha? Okay, some of you, may chance na younger tong taong to. Okay? Kung hindi kayo nag-uusap, lalong nagkakaroon ng parang nagbi-build up. Lalong lumalalim yung emosyon nito for you. Okay? The Ace of Cups in reversed. Someone is already in a commitment. Pwedeng ikaw. Okay? So, that is why hindi nila kaya or hindi pwede, alam nilang hindi pwedeng kumunik sa'yo. Libra, ano na naman to, Libra? Ha? They're avoiding drama. Yeah, they're avoiding drama. Pero yes, this person wants you. Yeah, may crush sa'yo itong taong to. Okay? May crush. Anyway, so what is their next action towards you? What is their next action towards you? The Knight of Wands. Playing games, playing mind games. Okay, playing mind games. What's with that Knight of Wands in reverse? Yeah, the Four of Swords. Playing mind games. Whoops! Whoops! Ayan na. Lumabas na. Yung emosyon, nakatago. Kaya nasa ilalim. Okay? This person likes you. Okay? May tendency na magbigay ito na they will play like mind games. Kasi gusto ko eh. They don't know kung papaano kukonek sa'yo, pero yes, they like you. Hindi nga lang pwede, lalo na kung alam mo sa sarili mong hindi pwede. Okay? Pwedeng maging flip ang energies. Pwede. Don't try to fit in sa message kung alam yung hindi. Okay? Yeah, they're holding back their emotion. Yeah. Excuse my nail. Anyway. Yeah, secrets. The High Priestess. This person misses you. They miss you. Okay? Itong taong to, kunyari hindi ka gusto, pero gusto ka. I think this is, current. Or sabihin nating, nagkita kayo nito. This is not a new person. Okay? This is not a new person's energy. Pero, I'm getting the energy na pwedeng hindi naman kayo talaga nagkaroon ng connection, like romantic connection. Nandun yung casual, maybe nagkasama lang kayo nito. So nandoon yung parang yung focus mo is nandito sa taong to. So that is why nakuha natin. Okay? They're thinking of you. Some of them, they're playing themselves thinking of you. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Sana gets niyo yun sinabi ko. Okay? They're thinking of you sexually. Sa totoo lang. Okay, they're thinking of you sexually. Yes. Okay, so. Okay. Anong outcome nyo ngayong October? Anong outcome nyo ngayong October? This person wants to see you. Yeah, they're sad. They're sad. Specific yun. Okay, so anong outcome nyo this October, Libra? The Ten of Swords. Why? Why naman? The Sun in reverse, the Five of Wands in reverse. So actually, this person, or sabihin nating outcome ninyo is talaga namang para kayo nagtataguan ng feelings. To avoid drama. To avoid conflicts. To avoid problem. Okay, this is taguang damdamin. Yeah. Maybe you like this person then. Okay. And this person likes you. Yeah. Nandito yung parang hahayaan na lang ng taong to na malungkot. Okay. Kesa naman magkaroon ng drama or problema or issue. They're avoiding it. They doesn't want any kind of drama. Okay. Some of them, they're too young for this. Yeah, the Nine of Swords in reverse. They're avoiding stress. Ayaw nila syempre nang isipin. Okay, parang ganun. The Five of Cups. Pero nandun yung panghihinayang syempre. Okay? Yeah. Meron ditong ayaw talaga maging sabihin nating third party. Okay. So, we have here Leo, air, fire, water, earth, air, water, aqua, and earth sign. So, this could be any sign. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for Libra placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!